Hi, Rod from Fleet Auto News again. Today we're looking at the new Hino 300 series wide cab. It's a truck, and a bloody good one at that. Very comfortable to drive, and something the serious tradesperson or fleet operator should consider basically as their next fleet vehicle purchase, maybe in replacement of a 4x4 type ute. Safety features abound in the new 300 with autonomous emergency braking, vehicle stability control and lane departure warning systems. There's a reversing camera and also dual SRS airbags. Inside the cab there's plenty of comfort for driver and passenger alike. Air conditioning, cruise control for the driver, plenty of storage about there. You've got them above the top of the windscreen there, also multiple compartments in the dashboard and cup holders galore. Driver comfort is further enhanced with a tilt adjustable steering system, air compression seat, and even has lumbar support on the side for the driver there. Makes driving it for all those long hours during the day that much more comfortable. At the heart of the 300 series is a 4-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, putting out 110 kilowatts of power and 420 newton metres of torque. The engine complies with Euro 5 emission standards. Business and fleet operators alike, the Hino 300 series is built to go and worthy of your consideration when looking for a new vehicle in your fleet. It can be driven by people on a car licence with only a GVM under 4.5 tonnes, has a payload of over 1.8 tonnes and all the creature comforts that the driver could want. Comfortable, practical and very nice truck to drive.